So, today we're talking about affordable smart plugs, specifically the ones that cost around $30. Now, smart plugs are one of the easiest and cheapest ways to make your home feel smart without investing in a huge and big system. For about 30 bucks, you get a compact device that plugs right into your outlet, and then whatever you connect your lamp, fan, coffee maker, or even Christmas lights become controllable through an app or a voice assistant. At this price range, you can usually expect Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning no hub is required. That's a big plus for beginners because it's just connect to your home Wi-Fi, pair with Alexa, Google Assistant, or even Siri shortcuts, and you're ready to go. Most of these plugs also let you set schedules and timers, which is perfect if you want your coffee machine to start brewing your morning or have your lights turned on automatically when the sun goes down. Now, of course, there are some trade offs. The build quality won't feel as premium as higher end brands, and sometimes the app can feel a little clunky. You might also notice that cheaper smart plugs don't always support advanced energy monitoring, though some do give a basic power usage stats. Overall, for around $30, these smart plugs are a solid entry point. They are affordable, easy to set up, and give you a taste of home automation without breaking a bank. If you're new to smart homes, I definitely recommend starting with one of these before moving on the pricier systems. And that's it.